Today on Locksmith Recommended, we're going to talk about cool, quick, easy, and affordable products to make our homes a little bit more secure and our lives a little bit easier. I'm Robert with ACME Locksmith, and if you want to see what we recommend to our customers, watch this entire video and check out the links below. Our first product's one of my favorites because I used to do this all the time. When I'd leave the house, I'd forget to close the garage door, or my kids would go out and play, and they forget to close the garage door when they've come back in. This is the garage butler, and it solves that problem. It has a timer that can be set from 3 to 60 minutes to automatically close the garage door for you. There's an override switch for convenience in case you're doing yard work or you need to keep it open for any other reason. It works off an installed sensor and requires some simple wiring, but it's something that any homeowner can take on. If you do need some help though, just contact a local locksmith or handyman and I'm sure they'll be eager to assist. The next product's also a great one. Nothing is more frustrating than when you need to get into a gate, a bike, or a shed, and you find you've lost your padlock key. Did you know you can get padlocks that'll work off the same key as your house key? You'll never lose that padlock key again because it's always going to be with you. No more hunting for that dang key. Head into a local locksmith shop and they'll get the right padlock to match your house key. If you order online from the link below, just make sure you're ordering one that matches the brand of hardware you have on your house. Then take it to the locksmith shop and they'll key it up to match the house key for you. I love these next two products for the same reason. All of their competing products require monthly subscription fees and these don't. I despise buying a product and being roped into having to pay monthly fees. Let's start with a home alarm system. You can buy a complete wireless home security system for well under $200. They're super easy to install and you don't need to pay any monitoring fees ever. The alarm systems have phone apps that alert you when triggered and cameras to see the live view of your home so you can decide what course of action you want to take. Optionally, you can install a SIM card so that the alarm system can text you or phone you, but it's not necessary. I got my system from AliExpress, which is like an overseas version of Amazon. I put a link to their alarm system below. Just choose the one that fits your needs and they'll get it sent out to you. Everything was already added to my alarm unit. All I needed to do was plug it in and place my camera, motion sensors, and door sensors, and I was ready to go. You can change the system programming at the controller or from your phone app. You can arm and disarm by pin, your phone, fobs. You can even use Alexa on a lot of these systems. A ton of options there. The documentation can be a little hard to understand because it comes from overseas, but I got the hang of it quick, and once you do, it's really easy and fast to set up. Now I have a complete home alarm system and I pay no monthly monitoring fees. My other no contract favorite product is the video doorbell by Skybell. You probably heard of the Ring video doorbell made famous by Shark Tank. It's a great product, but I like this one better because there are no monthly fees ever. Here's mine installed. Now my daughter chose the light color purple. Probably wouldn't have been my first choice, but hey, she's my daughter and it makes her happy, right? Whenever triggered by motion, or a press of the doorbell, it begins capturing video. The phone app alerts my phone and gives me live video feed to see what is happening outside. You can also talk to who's ever at the door directly from the phone. It holds the last 20 videos for a week and you can download any of them at any time to your phone if you want. So if you don't like monthly fees, check out the home alarm and video doorbell linked below. Now the last product I really like is the Cal Lock double bolting sliding glass door lock. Anytime we have a customer whose sliding glass door lock is broken, we tell them just to install this one in its place. Why? It is the only sliding glass door lock that prevents that door from being lifted out of its tracks. Builder hardware won't do that, and the good old wooden dowel in the track won't do that either. Installing this product up a little higher on the door will prevent little ones from unlocking it unknown to you and running out of the house. It even has a key that'll lock the bolts in place so it can't be opened. This is an inexpensive add-on most homeowners can handle themselves, and if not, your local locksmith can help. Now, if you like these tips, please like the video below and subscribe to the ACME Locksmith channel. Thank you for watching Locksmith Recommended.